How to close the objects in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by PEDIT command. As the hatch is applied on closed area, but if the area is opened then you cannot do the hatch. So the help of PEDIT command close option you can close the opened area for hatching. You can close lines, polylines, arcs and splines by the help of this command. The lines, arcs and splines first you needs to convert into polyline, then after you can close these. See how it works. First we see on polylines. Draw a open polyline. Here you can see it is open. Run hatch command and select the point inside polyline. You can see error message that boundary is not closed. Run PEDIT command. Select polyline. Select close option. You can see that the polyline is closed now. Run hatch command and now you can apply the hatch easily. Now we see on line objects. Draw lines which are not closed. Here you can see lines are open. Run PEDIT command. Select the lines and convert them into polylines. You can see lines are converted into polylines. Now run join command and select all the polylines to make a single polyline. Here you can see one single polyline is created. Run PEDIT command and select the polyline. Select close option. You can see line are converted into polyline and closed now. Now we see on arc object. Draw arc. Run PEDIT command and select the arc. Convert this into the polyline. Select close option. You can see arc is converted into polyline and closed now. Run hatch command and now you can apply the hatch easily. Now we see on spline object. Draw a spline. Run PEDIT command and select the spline. Convert it into the polyline. Select close option. You can see spline is converted into polyline and closed now. Run hatch command and now you can apply the hatch easily. Thanks for watching.